Hello, how are you doing? Today we have a problem that we're going to build a quick solution for this problem. The problem is using Numpy built-in functions create a 4 by 4 n-dimensional array that only contains consecutive even numbers from 2 until 32 inclusive. So there are two keywords. It been termed built-in functions, right? So we do have several built-in functions in Numpy, and this is about creating n-dimensional array, and it been also told inclusive, right? So when you come across creating an n-dimensional array, you will be having or create an array np dot array, or else you can use np dot arrange, or you can use np dot Linespace, right? So these three, when they say inclusive, right? So it should pop up in our mind. We could be using Linespace, where Linespace, the start number and the stop number, both are inclusive, and we can leverage. Uh, we can also build a Linespace with commanding to generate the numbers between start and stop with how many numbers, right? Saying like when a 4 by 4 n-dimensional array, you should be generating exactly 16 elements. So you will know how many numbers we need to generate between 2 and 32. There are 16. So we were clear. So definitely between 2 and 32 as an inclusive, we need to generate 16 numbers to create an 4 by 4 n-dimensional array, right? So that gives us a sense that we can use, let's quickly import numpy as np, then create an x equals to np dot linspace, right? And we are defining the start number as 2 and the n number as 32, and then we identified we would need 16 elements in between these two. And as we know, this can be done in any dimension. So if you generate this, it can generate in single one-dimensional array, but we were asked to create a specific shape, so we're going to use reshape and give the shape that's supposed to be as 4 by 4, and then we're going to print the x, right? So let's generate the, so now we have a 4 by 4 array with starting number from 2 until 32, and it generated 16 numbers, right? But you have seen it as floats. When you wanted to have it as integers, all the thing we do is pass the size equals to not size, I'm sorry, should be the type is equals to integer. That's it, right? You have this integer and this run by, you can see everything as integer, right? That's how should be creating it. Great, thank you so much. We'll meet in the next problem.